car right there. A lot of smoke coming out from under the 59X car. Oh, good hit. 69 on the 13. The question mark, another big hit. We'll have to look to the judges right there. Judges ruling. Look out. Look out. He cannot. Oh, good stop right there. He hit the driver's door. That would have been a black flag right there on the question mark car. No doubt. He held up. 24 making a good hit on him. Oh, my goodness. Another good hit right there in the rear fender by your 69 car. 140's on the clock. 140's on the clock. Looks like it's 224 that needs a new rubber on the back. There, number 1 car, David Evil. 140, he seems to be hung up the front end. He cannot get, he's got to move it again, so he's off the clock. He's going to have to get it rolling. He's got to hit, he's got 1 minute to hit. 140, 1 minute to hit. On the clock. 13 and 1 are on the clock. They are hung up on the far side in front of your stands. Weston, our car can't even run. Here we go. He can break it loose. And he does. So 1's off the clock. 1 is moving. Got to make a hit. They have to make a hit. Excuse me. Must make a hit within the 2 minutes. 30 seconds on 140. Oh, hit the door right there. We'll go to the judges. Hit the door. Up to the judges. Yeah, he broke it off. Black flag broke it off. He is done. He knew it. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 still with flags on them. They are moving extremely slowly. 224 needed some tires balanced. 140, break your flag. 140, break your flag. Looks like the 59X broke his flag as well. 52 is on the clock. 52 is on the clock. I'm telling you what, that 2-24 looking pretty rough. He doesn't have any rubber left on his back left wheel. He may be done. 350 making a hit. Question mark making a hit on him. 52 is out. 52, break your flag. 52, please break your flag for us. We appreciate it, man. All right, the question mark is left. Nick Lewis in the question mark. He's left. 350 is left. That is Bob Cordova, the number 1. Deputy and Johnny Garcia broke her flag. Huge damage right there as they pile up. Oh, good job by your question mark of Nick Lewis. A lot of fire coming out the headers of that blue number 1 car of David Evil. Don't think it's all out of the headers. We'll keep an eye on him. Right now on the clock, we have 24 and 1. We have 4 cars still moving, which is 69, 350, question mark, and 2-24. All 4 of those cars still moving on the clock is the 1 of David Evil and the 2-24 69 breaks him loose. Let's see if they get their team before they get got that. Let's make a hit. 1 minute left. 1 minute left on the one car. The 224. 1 minute. The other four cars still moving. The 220. Is that 24? 24. He's back moving. He just needs to make a hit, and he does. But he's back in the action. Although there was a 224, but he's still moving. Makes a big hit on your question mark car of Nick Lewis. So we've got 4 cars moving again. Actually, 5 cars moving. 45 seconds for the number 1 car of David Eagle. Oh, big smash. Oh, right there. That was a door hit. It's not count because it was not intentional. He was knocked in the door of the 24 car. The question mark car right there, Nick Lewis. We got we're counting down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Break your flag, number 1, David Evil. That leaves us 5 cars going back. 5 cars going back to your. Bring all 5 of those cars back to your main event. Put your hands together here for